Good morning. Now let us continue our topic. We are discussing about the differential of a temperature of a land and water. At the same time, the temperature of a land and temperature of a water is totally different because the land is in the solid state and the water is in the liquid state. So the capacity of heating, capacity of absorbing the heat energy is always different of a land and water. At the same time, temperature of a land is always higher than the water, or the temperature is lower than the water. During the daytime, because of the rays, the land gets heated very quickly and water takes time for the heating. Same thing happened during the night. The land gets very rapidly, it cools very rapidly, and the water takes time for the cooling. And because of that only, if you remember, the land and the sea breeze occurs because of that only. Now, the same thing phenomenon occurs in the monsoon season also. During the summer season, the land gets heated very rapidly and the surrounding water body, that is Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. The surrounding water body is remain cool while the land gets heated. And also this part of India, if you know, this part of India is a desert. The Thar desert is there, and because of this desert, that region becomes very high temperature and the water body remaining low temperature. So the wind started, you all know that the wind blows always from high pressure to low pressure. The wind start blowing from high pressure to low pressure. Now, because of this blowing of a wind only, the rainfall occurs in the India. Now, before the next topic, we will see one more thing, the rain shadow area. If you know the relief rainfall, you have studied the relief rainfall, the face of a mountain from where the wind start blowing, that faces a heavy rainfall. And as soon the wind goes to other region, no rainfall occurs. And this region where the rainfall occurs known as a windward side, and the opposite side known as a leeward side or the rain shadow area. Now what happens when the moisture start coming to this region? It, because of the mountain, the mountain force this winds to raise on the top of the mountain where the temperature falls. And the temperature falls, the wind, whatever the moisture is there in the wind, it starts shading in that region. And the opposite side, the wind starts descending. As the wind descends, the temperature increases and capacity of holding water vapor also increase, and because of that what happened, the wind does not able to bring any rainfall to that side. So that this side having a rainfall, nice rainfall, windward side, and the opposite side does not have any rainfall. And if you understood this phenomenon, the same time this thing the same phenomenon is also there in the monsoon rainfall in the India. Now the monsoon rainfall divided into two categories, the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. This Bay of Bengal also known as a, because this direction is a west, so it is also known as a southwest monsoon winds, and it is also known as a southeast monsoon winds. Two streams are there, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, or Arabian Sea southwest monsoon winds, and the Bay of Bengal southeast monsoon winds they are having. Let us start the first branch of a monsoon wind, that is known as a Arabian Sea. As I told you, wind always start blowing from high pressure to low pressure. As soon this wind start going to India, this season, a range of a mountain is there that is known as a Western Ghat. Throughout the western side, we having a range of a mountain known as a Western Ghat. As the wind start blowing, they brings a heavy rainfall to all this coastal region. You remember Mumbai lies in the Maharashtra, receive a very high rainfall. The streets are filled with the water, heavy rainfall occurs. Though the poor drainage was there, but also it is because the heavy and torrential rainfall occurs in the western part of India. Because of this western Ghat mountains whole thing, this part receive a very high rainfall. As after the shading of the season, the wind also gets interior of the country, the southern central part, no mountain ranges are there. In the central part, no mountains are there, so no rainfall occurs on that region. Again, as they reach to this region, that is known as a Eastern Ghat. In this Eastern Ghat again, because the mountains are there, they obstruct the winds. Again, the light shower occurs in the western coast. After that, the winds start, they moves towards the Bay of Bengal. Wind does not blow from high pressure to low pressure. It is because you remember the Coriolis force. The wind does not flow in the directly. They always deflected. In the northern hemisphere, they deflect towards the right hand side. In the southern hemisphere, they deflect towards the left hand side. Because of that only the wind always move in the circular motion. So this monsoon wind is also having the route like that only. It does not move straight, but it moves, it goes like that. To this low pressure, from this high pressure, it moves like that. This was the path of this wind. Again, if you know this part of India, it is a Bangladesh. This season is a Meghalaya, and there we having a Garo Khasi Jaintia hills. Now, the Arabian Sea takes some moisture from water, the shade moisture towards the Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, and they again move towards the Bay of Bengal. Again they pick the moisture from Bay of Bengal. Again they pick the moisture from Bay of Bengal, and now when they reach to this part, that is known as a Garo Khasi Jaintia Hills. It is a range of three mountains, the Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. They brings that reason a heavy rainfall. The three reason was there because they brings a very heavy rainfall in this season. The first reason is these mountains are of the funnel shaped mountain. Funnel shaped mountain means very broad. Their base is very broad, and these winds are totally trapped by this mountain. The wind are not able to move that region. They are totally trapped in this mountain region. So they are forced to shade their moisture to this region. They trap that. So this region again, the wind, the Arabian Sea branch, again the peak moisture from Bay of Bengal, and when they move further, the Garo Khasi Jaintia region receive a heavy rainfall because of this winds. Moving further, this part of India, if you know, it is a foothill of Himalaya. Even the Gorakhpur lies in this region. This winds brings a rainfall to all foothills of the Himalaya, Gorakhpur, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. All this region receive rainfall because of this. But now the amount of rainfall compared to Garo, Khasi, Jaintia region or the Meghalaya, the rainfall is less. It is because most of the moisture was shaded in this season, and when they move to the season, the amount of rainfall start decreasing. The nice rainfall in the Bihar, lower in the Uttar Pradesh, then lower in the Punjab, Haryana, the amount of rainfall goes decreasing. And finally, when they reach to low pressure area in the Rajasthan, the moisture is totally dries. Also, this winds when here you also know one mountain range is there known as a Aravalli. Aravalli. This Aravalli also are not able to bring any rainfall because the wind becomes totally dry. Now this wind also when they move, if you see, they run parallel. They run parallel to Aravalli. So they are not, because the mountain are not able to stop this winds. They are totally parallel to this winds. So these reason are not able to bring any rainfall. So it is a desert region. This is all about your Arabian Sea branch. The nice rainfall occurs in this season. This region, Garo-Khasi Jaintia region, and the nice amount of rainfall in the foothills of Himalaya. This part of a monsoon winds is very important because they fix the moisture from Arabian Sea. They also fix the moisture from the Bay of Bengal branch, and the major part of India, the western side, the eastern side, whole northern and the eastern side receive rainfall because of this wind. So they are very important branch of monsoon wind. Now next branch of a monsoon wind is a Bay of Bengal branch that we will do in the next class. Thank you.